Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And it's a Sunday evening out here in Kenya family. I'm actually waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come. We're actually heading out to a Diaspora all-white event. And I just want to show you what it's like when Caribbean people party and celebrate in Africa. And you can look out for the next Caribbean event, the Diamond Trust Diaspora Investment Symposium, and actually the Pan-African Council actually putting on this event family. So look out for that on the 27th. Early bird tickets is on right now only for $59.99. And if you want to pay $99.99, after the 5th, it's up to you. But guys, this is very important event. And if you're actually looking to relocate back to Africa, this is perfect for you family. So we actually going out to this all-white event, and I'm just waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come. As you know, females take a long time to put on clothes and they have to pretty up. So I'll show you how she look when she come. But I'm just here waiting while I'm just doing some, doing this video for you while I'm waiting for her family. You know what I mean? I know she's not gonna let me wait in vain. But when she come, I'll show you what she look like family, so you can actually, see us in all white. So this is an all white event, a diaspora event. One of our sisters that relocate back to Kenya, I think they're putting it on. Our brother from Antigua, he actually live and have his family here like me. So he's a musician, so he will be actually, entertaining and stuff. So the event start at 4, but at 6 we still there wait, because most of the time those events don't really start early. You know what I mean? But we still are wait for Miss Jam Tours to come. So let's wait. Continue watching this vlog, like, share, and comment. Let us know your thoughts. Let's go to all white Kenya. Alright family, so Miss Jam Tours is here. As you can see now full white. Me and I'm a full white. And let's go. What do you have to say?
I've taken a full.
When you go, you'll take picture, you take photo.
But it will be done.
Well, I'm sure my
outfit.
We can stop up there.
We'll
and
do
take
that
it.
there, right?
Yeah. Alright, so we're leaving out now, family. And this is the first time I think Miss Jam Tours is experiencing a Caribbean event here. We actually experienced pine and ginger out there in in Ghana. But it's the first time family she'll be experiencing Caribbean vibes. You know what I mean? So let's go and see what it's like. Where is it keeping again, sweetie?
Ole Sereni.
Ole Sereni. That's on Mombasa Road, right?
Yes.
Alright family, so
Imara Ole Sereni.
we're going out to Mombasa Road. So we'll show you what it's like. I'm sure you're gonna meet a lot of expats and people who are coming back to Africa. As you know, Jam Tours, that's what we do. We help people come back to Africa safe and sound and no scam. So that's what we actually do. It's a big problem, and that's what we're trying to do. Trying to solve it, family. So let's go. We'll let you know when we reach. Continue watching the vlog, and I hope you will enjoy this vlog and enjoy the experience. And this will make you want to come, because when Caribbean people come together, and outsider come together, those are the people you can relate to. So if you come into Africa and you're trying to get settled and stuff, these are the people you want to link with. People who live here on the ground, not people and not say you can link with locals, but they don't understand
Sometimes you can have the right instincts and jump on one. I don't know, I don't like when this thing is tied.
Why? I think it's just uniform. It's flap all over the place, sweetie, when it's not tied. Look, I look ugly. Alright guys, tell me.
Let me see.
No, but it's just not.
But you don't have a bow tie, so I don't.
No, but
sorry, I cut you guys.
No, look, I look ugly. But anyways,
it looks good because you don't have a tie. But if you had a bow tie, I think it looks nice when it's fully. You see, like the wedding one.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. But.
So you want to take the picture?
Here.
Right here on the road. Miss
Not,
Jam Tours.
not necessarily picture, like just to see the outfit and that.
So you want to stand up there?
Yeah.
Alright, so Miss Jam Tours, she want to take picture. Let's go.
Miss Jantua's outfit. You love my outfit?
It's nice.
You do? Yeah. You love the shoes, you love the dress.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah. I feel like I'm on the runway.
Oh, really? You feel so?
Yes. Modeling. Thank you, Dad.
Don't do that part. You'll make me cry. Okay. Thank you, guys. I'm sorry. I'm socially awkward. Excuse me. Okay. But no, like this is my life's work. Like my life is dedicated to giving back into humanitarian efforts. And if any of y'all are down, hey, come holler at me and let's do it.
Everybody clap your hands. Jackie, we give thanks like that because we have to start with a prayer, you know? Almighty, never forgetting where we're coming from. I'm going to sing a song about America and the people who choose to stay in America because we got to get out. Jack! You know, it's time. Over 400 years ago, we were taking the slaves from these lands to the west. Our energies, our minds, our souls, gave 350 years of free labor. And our minds were used to build. We were used to build these worlds. To make some of the greatest countries we know today were built on our mind. But all the blood, sweat, and tears has a price to pay. Listen. big. Spiggity, biggity, 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 you have to play Spanish first, you know. We burn Babylon first.
Yeah, we burn them
And then we
forever.
take you on this journey. getting hot in here. It's getting hot, so we're going to heat it up. We're going to heat it up right. We got to heat it up. Who all in here believe you're real Africans? Let me see if you can here. You're real Africans? Put your hand in the air, sir. Because I'll tell you something, if you don't know where you're from,